Hi folks! It's early May and I got these fruit tree fertilizer spikes for my pear tree. As I discovered, it benefits the red currants greatly as well. I planted my red currant bushes right next to the pear tree. Since I only have 2 of them, I want to maximize the produce I can get. Using 2 of the spikes should benefit the tree as well as the 2 bushes. It's July now, and we are enjoying picking our red currants. If you ever pick them, then you know it can be quite a bit of work. But so worth it in the end. We got about 6 liters of fruit from our 2 bushes today, and there are still some left to ripen. Let's make the jam now. This is definitely a favorite at home. First, take out any extra leaves. Then wash the currants.
I'm making a nice shower for them. A shower. They like showers. They gotta have a tub bath.
Put about half a cup of water at the bottom of the pot, then add the fruit. Cook until the berries soften for about 15 minutes. Strain all the seeds and stems.
I always put that for the berries. But you get squished.
We will only use the juice and pulp. We got about 2 liters, so we'll add roughly 60% of sugar. In our case, we added 1 liter.
Give us some more sugar.
Cook for at least 40 minutes and stir occasionally. Ours turned out a bit thin because we put less sugar, but with 60% you should get a nice consistency. Let's bottle it. Leave 1/4 inch headspace. Wipe the rim. Place the lid and put on the screw band. Put the jars in the water bath for about 5 minutes.
I'm gonna try to make a suego. And I'm just going to sweat it myself.
Do you have any red currants in your garden? Which is your favorite jam? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.